Hi y'all, it's me, the real Princey, and we are setting the table 2-for-1 today, okay? 2 styles, 1 table, all for you. Hello and welcome to another episode of Let's Set the Table. It is me, your host, the real Princey, and I want to big up all my real ones, real recognize real, because you here, you ain't going nowhere. If this is the very first time that you are hearing the sound of my voice, welcome in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. We're going to jump right into this. Okay, so for the prep work, this pattern burlap I got from Dollarama, and it was for $3 each. I bought 2 rolls, and you could see there's different patterns and different styles. I put that up there in the corner. It's really nice, and it's a bit thicker. The material isn't like the traditional burlap. That's what I'm showing you in comparison here. And you know, you gotta have your basket of flowers. When I think about spring and Easter, I think about flowers. So I'm just filling my basket. It's not totally complete. You'll see what the finished product looks like, but these flowers are all from Dollar Tree, and the basket's from my stash. You know, I gotta do something kind of different with my cutlery. Always trying to think about something that I could do to tie it into the theme. So I just wrapped them with this burlap roll that I got from Dollarama. And I took the heads off of some of those flowers that I got from Dollar Tree, and I used it to accent the cutlery. First, I wrap them in the paper, and then I do a little something with the burlap around it. Honestly, I was improvising the whole time. I just wanted to add that there, and I just did different type of patterns, different type of bows, whatever it was, whatever you want to call it. I just wrapped it with the burlap, and then added the flower to top it off. I did measure to kind of keep them all the same, but at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter because I did them in different styles, so each style required a different amount of burlap. It's good to do if you're gonna kind of stick with the same look. I just kind of go through and show you the different patterns that I did. I went to Dollar Tree and I wanted to get some treats for the table, so I got the mini eggs. I saw these treat sacks, which I thought were pretty cool. And the jute cord had me for the theme. This is what they look like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in here. It's a nicer presentation. I used some paper for my shutter as my stuffing. With my crinkle paper. Stay with me, all right? I'm here for you. You stay with me. So I do love how these little bunny sacks came out. I think they're so cute, and they do match with the whole decor, the colors that I have going on here. So this is how everything came together on my first look of my table setting. And I wasn't sure exactly how I wanted to set the sacks, in the plate, out of the plate, the cutlery beside the plate. So you can see I've done it all 3 ways to show you. You decide. And let's not forget that blinged out bottle, that bottle bling, bottle boom, baby. So what I'm gonna do now is a little different. I'm taking everything off and I'm gonna show you how to do this another way, because I wasn't even sure. I'm so indecisive on how exactly I wanted to use this runner. I changed the look and I used it as a boot up placemat. Why do I call it that? It's boot up because you're sharing it with your boo or your bae or your friend or a stranger. But yeah, because it's basically sharing a placemat between 2 people. That is the idea behind the concept of boot up placemat. These vases are from Dollar Tree for $1.25. They're pink and purple and I absolutely love them. And here's the second setting for my table. So this is just basically all the same things used in a different way. I added the 2 vases and I changed the style of placemat from the runner to the boot up placemat, and I think it's a little different. I like it. I hope you like these 2 ideas. They're really simple and you could use a lot of things that you have in your home as well. I did get from the dollar store those flashy eggs that I put in a little treasure chest, which is also from the dollar store, and my 2 little bunnies in purple and blue are also from the dollar store. And I just added all of those little things to add to the theme and the color. I'm so glad you guys were able to watch. Thank you for staying here with me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Tell me which table setting you like better. Is it the boot up or the table runner? I just want to big up all of my real ones. Big up all my real ones. Real recognize real. You done know. Stay with me, baby. It's your girl, the real Princey. Bye. Don't forget to eat your bun. Get your bun. When you get your bun, you cut the cheese. You see it?